Imagine a landscape unlike anything you've ever seen. Swirling colors of yellow, orange, and green paint the ground. Volcanic vents spew sulfurous gases into the air. Salt pillars rise from the earth like ancient monoliths. This is not science fiction, but a very real place on our planet, the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia. The Danakil Depression is one of the hottest, driest, and lowest places on Earth. It's a place of extremes where the Earth seems to boil over with intense geothermal activity. To stand within the Danakil is to experience a world both beautiful and brutal. It's a stark reminder of the raw power that shapes our planet. This alien landscape, however, holds secrets that could help us unlock some of the universe's greatest mysteries. Scientists are drawn to the Danakil because it offers a glimpse into the early Earth and the potential for life on other planets. Join me now as we journey to the heart of the Danakil Depression, exploring its otherworldly beauty, its scientific significance, and the lessons it holds for our understanding of life itself. The Danakil Depression didn't appear overnight. Its creation is a story of tectonic plates shifting and colliding over millions of years. The African continent is slowly ripping apart at its seams. This process, called rifting, created the Great Rift Valley, a massive geological scar that stretches for thousands of miles. At the northern end of the Great Rift Valley lies the Danakil Depression, a sunken basin where three tectonic plates meet. Here, the Earth's crust is being stretched thin, allowing magma to rise closer to the surface. This underground heat fuels the region's geothermal activity, creating hot springs, geysers, and bubbling pools of molten lava. One of the most striking features of the Danakil is the presence of vast salt flats. These were formed over millennia as ancient lakes evaporated, leaving behind thick deposits of salt. The salt is a valuable resource for the Afar people, who have braved the harsh conditions of the Danakil for centuries. They mine the salt and transport it across the desert using camel caravans. The Danakil Depression is not for the faint of heart. Its extreme conditions pose a constant challenge to survival. Temperatures can soar above 50 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest places on the planet. Rainfall is scarce and the air is incredibly dry. These factors combine to create an environment where dehydration is a constant threat. But the heat is not the only danger. Volcanic activity releases toxic gases, such as sulfur dioxide, into the air. These gases can irritate the lungs and pose serious health risks, especially for those with respiratory problems. The ground is also treacherous. Thin crusts of salt can give way to reveal boiling hot springs or pools of acidic water. Despite the dangers, the Afar people have adapted to survive in this unforgiving environment. They wear light clothing to reflect the sun's rays and carry large quantities of water to stay hydrated. Their knowledge of the landscape, passed down through generations, helps them navigate the hazards and find safe passage across the scorching terrain. Life on the edge extremophiles of the Danakil. In the midst of the Danakil's extreme heat, acidity, and toxic gases, life finds a way. This seemingly inhospitable environment is home to organisms called extremophiles. These remarkable life forms thrive in conditions that would be deadly to most other creatures. Scientists are fascinated by extremophiles because they push the boundaries of what we thought was possible for life to endure. The Danakil Depression offers a unique opportunity to study these hardy organisms in their natural habitat. By understanding how extremophiles survive in such extreme environments, we can gain insights into the limits of life on Earth and the potential for life on other planets. One type of extremophile found in the Danakil is a single-celled organism called an archaea. These ancient microbes are known to inhabit some of the most extreme environments on Earth, including hydrothermal vents, acidic lakes, and even the inside of volcanoes. Archaea have developed unique adaptations that allow them to survive in these harsh conditions. For example, some archaea have enzymes that can function at extremely high temperatures, while others have cell membranes that are resistant to the corrosive effects of acid. The Danakil and the search for life beyond Earth. The discovery of extremophiles in the Danakil Depression has profound implications for the search for life beyond Earth. If life can thrive in the extreme conditions of the Danakil, it stands to reason that life could exist in other extreme environments throughout the universe. Mars, for example, is a cold, dry planet with a thin atmosphere. However, there is evidence to suggest that Mars may have once been a warmer, wetter planet with conditions more suitable for life. If life did exist on Mars in the past, it's possible that extremophiles could still be clinging to survival in pockets of the planet where liquid water may still exist, such as underground aquifers or at the polar ice caps. The study of extremophiles in the Danakil Depression is helping scientists develop new strategies for searching for life on Mars and other planets. By identifying the unique biosignatures, or chemical fingerprints, of extremophiles, scientists can develop instruments that can detect these signatures in the soils and atmospheres of other planets. These instruments can then be deployed on future robotic missions to Mars and beyond, increasing our chances of finding evidence of extraterrestrial life. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Could life exist on Mars? Let us know in the comments below.